Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another tips from Tiffany. So today we're going to talk about things that you should not carry on a cruise ship with you. These lists are on all of the cruise line websites and you can check them out. We're just going to cover a few of them, but please don't take these on the cruise ship because they will confiscate them. They will take them away and you'll have to get them back at the end of the cruise. Walking past that table, we have seen a lot of stuff on there. People taking lamps and weird stuff, coffee makers, all kinds of stuff. So these are things that you should not be taking on the cruise line with you. And if you have questions about things that you'd like to take with you that you're not quite sure about, you can always contact the cruise lines, go to their websites, go to their frequently asked questions, or you can call them. But we are going to cover some of the things that we definitely know are not on the list and they're prohibited. So definitely no firearms, no realistic looking firearms, and no firearms at all. No ammunition, no knives or scissors or sharp objects like that. Now you can take your own personal grooming stuff, nail clippers, stuff like that, but you cannot take scissors or knives on the ship. Obviously, no drugs. You do not want to get caught on a cruise ship with drugs. Even if you're in port, you cannot purchase them in port and then take them back on the ship. They will confiscate them. No heating pads. So you definitely don't want to take a heating pad on there because it will get confiscated. I never even thought to take a heating pad on a cruise ship. No irons for clothes. Now, irons, I've seen a lot of irons on the table when you get off the ship and you're leaving the port area. Irons are usually available in the laundry room. You can check with your room steward to see if they are, or even check to see about laundry service. You can also purchase wrinkle releaser. I believe Downey has one. We take it and use it. Works great. As soon as we get in the cabin and start unpacking, spray it a little bit, pat it down, and the wrinkles are gone. No hot plates. So you can't cook in your cabin. I don't know why you would. With all the good food on the ship, no hot plates though. No incense or candles. Nothing with an open flame. So leave all that stuff at home. Take some Lysol if you need to make it smell good or something. Some of the more unusual items that have been placed on the please don't take on the ship list, the prohibited list, would be pepper spray. Don't want to take pepper spray or mace or anything like that. No handcuffs, no flammable liquids, no lighter fluid or anything like that. No open flames. You can't have any kind of open flames in your cabins. Also, no fireworks. I don't know why you would want to take fireworks on a ship, but you are not allowed to have fireworks on a ship. If you want to see fireworks, though, you can book a Disney cruise. They do fireworks there on the ship, weather permitting. No baby monitors. So parents with young ones, you cannot take baby monitors on the ship, and no extension cords. You also cannot take perishable food items. So no fruit, no meat, nothing like that. Nothing that's going to perish. A lot of times you're in the ports and you see all these great foods. I know we have seen a lot of good food, fruits and vegetables and stuff like that, and wanted to take it. You have to eat it in the port before you get on the ship or they'll make you throw it away. Like I said at the beginning, you definitely want to check with each individual cruise line. Each individual cruise line does have these listed on their website. You can also call and ask questions if you can't find it on their website. So definitely make sure that you're paying attention to what you're packing and what you're purchasing when you're in port. Just be careful what you're purchasing in the ports. Make sure that you can get it back as on the ship so you can take your souvenirs home with you and they don't get confiscated. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, rest of your weekend, and a great week. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.